Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll walk through the simple steps, tips and toppings that make the zucchini salad extra crunchy and flavorful. Let's continue. Health benefits in every bite. Eating your greens has never felt this easy or delicious. Zucchini is packed with vitamin A, which supports your vision and immune system. In addition, you get a solid dose of vitamin C to help your skin stay healthy during the sunny months. Since zucchini has a very high water content, it helps keep you hydrated when temperatures rise. The fiber in the squash also aids digestion, keeping you feeling full without the bloating of heavier grains. Choosing a raw salad over a cooked dish also preserves more of these heat-sensitive nutrients. It's a simple way to fuel your body with wholesome ingredients that taste great. How to make your zucchini salad crunchy and flavorful. Creating a great salad is all about technique and timing. You want to focus on the prep work to ensure the vegetables stay crisp until the moment you eat. If you just chop the zucchini into big chunks, the texture can feel a bit dull. Instead, aim for thin, delicate pieces that soak up the vinaigrette without losing their structure. Salt also plays a big role here. If you salt the vegetables too early, they'll release all their moisture and turn into a puddle. For the best results, wait to season the dish until right before you walk it to the table. This keeps the crunch factor at its maximum level and ensures every bite is flavorful. Component purpose best options. Base provides the crunch small green or yellow zucchini. Acid brightens the flavor fresh lemon juice or white balsamic. Fat carries the flavor extra virgin olive oil. Crunch adds contrast toasted pine nuts or sunflower seeds. Zest boosts the aroma lemon peel or fresh chili flakes. Choosing the right combination of fats and acids ensures the salad tastes balanced rather than oily. Mastering the ribbon cut and dressing. The easiest way to elevate this dish is by using a standard vegetable peeler to create long ribbons. Simply lay the zucchini flat on a cutting board and run the peeler from top to bottom. You'll end up with thin, translucent strips that curl beautifully on the plate. Once your ribbons are ready, you can whisk together a basic lemon vinaigrette. Use 3 parts olive oil to 1 part fresh lemon juice, then add a pinch of sea salt and cracked black pepper. This simple sauce highlights the freshness of the squash without overpowering it. Shake the dressing in a small jar to emulsify it before drizzling it over the ribbons. Adding texture with toppings. While the zucchini is the star, the toppings add the necessary layers of flavor. Feta cheese is a classic choice because its salty tang cuts through the richness of the olive oil. If you prefer a nuttier profile, try adding toasted pine nuts or slivered almonds for extra crunch. Fresh herbs are also essential for a truly vibrant salad. Mint leaves provide a cooling sensation, while basil adds a sweet, peppery note that screams summer. You might even consider a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you enjoy a little bit of heat. These small additions transform a simple vegetable dish into a complex and satisfying meal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.